everybody, Riley here with the T Storm Chasers. They're back for another weather video. Today we're going to dive into some topics that we need to get to. First things first, as you take a look here at the current radar picture, there's a little bit of hits of rain near Watertown and near Canby, Minnesota, and Marshall, Minnesota, and Tracy. Some rain showers there lingering, but the rain has kind of cleared out of the Sioux Falls area. We had some rain earlier today, but that has kind of fizzled out. Northeastern South Dakota, not a lot going on either. There is a little bit of rain, but again, not a whole lot going on. Just some light rain near the Aberdeen area, also near Redfield and Huron. Out west, how's western South Dakota looking? Well, more or less the same. We got some rain showers northeast of Spearfish, and then also towards Wall, Phillip, Murdo areas, we have some hits of rain. Now, we do want to point this out. If you have anybody in Illinois, over in between Davenport, Iowa, and Chicago, there is actually some severe weather going on. In fact, there is even a tornado warning that is in effect. Have a look here. I just wanted to touch on this briefly here. Near the Henry, Illinois, McNabb, Magnolia area. If you have anybody in that direction, let them know that there is a tornado warning in the area. So that is definitely interesting. Severe weather season, tornado season has officially kicked off in Illinois. So you got any folks in that area, let them know. But just thought that was very interesting. Very interesting weather story today. That there is a tornado warning in Illinois. So, but in our neck of the woods, nothing to worry about. Looks like that rain is kind of out of our area now. We'll see what tonight brings into tomorrow morning. There might be a little more rain, but I think we're about done in that department. To take a look at the current temperatures in our area, we got 39 degrees in Sioux Falls, 41 in Yankton, 43 in Sioux City, 48 down in Omaha. We got 41 over in the cities. We got 34 in Aberdeen, and we got 36 in Rapid City. So 30s across South Dakota, 40s down in Nebraska, and upper 30s here in northwest Iowa, as well as southwest Minnesota. Let's look at your temperature map. Alright, so here is a look at wind gusts. This is the wind gust map. As you can see, Sioux Falls wind gusts up to 40 today. That's about the highest, with the exception of out west near the Phillip area, with wind gusts up to about 45 miles per hour. So it's windier out west, but the Sioux Falls area is about the same. Other than that, we got wind gusts in the 20s to low 30s across the rest of the area there. So yeah, winds have been picking up, and will continue through the rest of the night into tomorrow. Also, I just briefly wanted to mention this, that we do have a winter weather advisory for one county in South Dakota. It is the far northwestern part of South Dakota. It includes Buffalo, South Dakota, and Harding County. Winter weather advisory in effect until 7 p.m. tonight for another couple hours. Also in effect for eastern Montana and western and northern North Dakota. So if you got any folks in that neck of the woods, be sure to let them know about that. But just wanted to mention that a winter weather advisory continues until 7 p.m. tonight. So here's a model run here through Pivotal Weather. Let's go ahead and run this for you here. So as you can see, currently, this is kind of the picture we got going on. We got some rain showers in the area. This is a little bit more exaggerated look at just kind of the system that we're under right now. But as we go ahead and loop this here, basically this is your future scan outlook. As you can see, it quickly clears out of the area by tomorrow. And after that, we are not really looking at any kind of moisture for quite a while. So we're going to take a break, and we're not going to be seeing any snow or rain. Now, by mid-February, that could definitely change. With these models being so far out, it's hard to depict that, but I think mid to late February, we are going to start to see a pattern change. We're going to start to see more chances for rain and actually more snow. But as you can see, the models aren't really showing that yet. maybe towards right there, towards the 16th of February. But again, that's a long ways out. But the main story is for at least the next week, we're not looking at any kind of moisture. So, according to all the models that we've been seeing, and so that is the story there. Here's another look at your 6 to 10 day outlook here. Temperature wise, above average in eastern South Dakota into Minnesota and Iowa, as you can see there. Now above average, slightly above average. We're talking temps in the upper 30s to low 40s, which is what we have on our 7 to 10 day outlook. And that's what it shows here on the National Weather Service site. So I just wanted to throw that out there. Here's another look. This is a look at our 8 to 14 day. This is the 1 to 2 week temperature outlook, taking us out through the 22nd of February. And as you can see, eastern South Dakota into eastern Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, near normal temps, probably around 30 degrees. Now farther out west, towards western South Dakota, North Dakota, and Montana, and Wyoming, we have more below average temps, with temps probably around upper 20s. And so as you can see there, quite the pattern change from what we've had the last couple of weeks. So a big change here, big shift in the weather on its way in terms of temps. And then here's your 3 to 4 week. This is taking us out through the end of February. And as you can see, slightly above average is the trend. So looks like temps will be overall for the rest of February is to be slightly above average. So that's a look there at your long-range temp forecast outlooks. Lastly, here's a look at your 10-day outlook. This gets updated for us every day. So this was for today. This was today's outlook. So as you can see, today made it up into the that temp was early this morning. We had temps in the upper 40s, but it's going to start to get cold compared to where we've been. It's going to be cooler. But we're still going to have temps above average for this time of the year. We're still going to have temps in the upper 30s to low 40s through mid next week, really through Valentine's Day. As you can see, we're not looking at any moisture. Will be breezy tomorrow for your Friday, but really just more sunshine. Temps in the upper 30s to low 40s. Overnight lows will be in the low 20s, low to mid 20s as well. And then after Valentine's Day, you'll notice a dip in the temperatures. Looks like the pattern shift will bring in even cooler weather. So we will have temps slightly below normal for this time of the year by the time we hit mid-February, just after Valentine's Day. So that's a look at some of the latest weather information that we have available for you guys. Be sure to tune in. We are now on a strict schedule. We have daily 10-day, this 10-day that you see gets posted every morning at 5 a.m. On weekends, it'll be coming out at 7 a.m. And then these weather videos that we do, these are going to come out every other day, so during the afternoon hours. So that's your latest here from the T Storm Chasers. Be sure to follow us on all of our socials, and you all have a great night.